10 reasons why you should not give up on your fitness journey. Number 10, you are making progress. Even if you don't see it, and if you don't necessarily feel it, you are still making progress. Every day you make it and show up, it's doing wonders for your body, so keep going. Number 9, it's not easier to start from scratch. Don't waste all that progress that you made just to start all over again. Stick to it. Number 8, you can take a rest, just don't quit completely. Take a breather for a day or two and come back to it. Just don't give up. Number 7, it gets easier. Now let me rephrase that. It doesn't get easier, you get stronger. Nothing in life gets easier, you just become more resilient. So it's gonna feel easier. So if it feels hard now, you will get stronger, you will get better, and it will feel easier. Number 6, and if it doesn't get easier, scale it down, lower down the intensity. You're allowed. Number 5, giving up is an option, but it's not really an option when it comes to life. Movement is life. If you stick with that sedentary lifestyle, sooner or later it will catch up. So don't take giving up as a real option. Number 4, when you start experiencing how great it feels to be stronger and healthier, you'll not want to go back. Allow yourself to get there. Just be a little patient. Number 3, remember your why you started in the first place. That should be a good enough reason not to quit. Number 2, people are counting on you. They're rooting for you. It could be your kids, it could be your family, but someone's secretly rooting for you on the sidelines. Even if they don't tell you, you might be inspiring and motivating them in their life. Continue to be that inspiration. Number 1, you're doing this for you. And that should be a good enough reason not to give up on yourself, not to quit on your goals, not to quit on your future. You are worth it, and you totally deserve all the great things coming your way in your fitness journey. So go get it. Take this video as a sign to keep going. You got this.